gold prices rose sharply, with spot gold rising $24 to $2.718.1 an ounce. Gold futures last traded at $2.755 an ounce, up 36.6 from early yesterday morning. Expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve will cut interest rates after the inflation report boosted gold's rise on Wednesday. Data from the U.S. Labor Department showed that the country's consumer prices rose 0.3% in November compared to the previous month. Compared to last year's period, prices increased 2.7% after rising 2.6% in October. This increase aligned with the forecast of economists participating in the Reuters poll. David Megger, director of metals trading at High Ridge Futures, said that the data showed that inflation had not increased but remained stable, making the possibility of a Fed rate cut at the next policy meeting almost certain. Traders now see a 96% chance of a 25 basis point cut at the Fed's December 17th to 18th meeting, up from around 86% before the inflation report. All eyes are now on PPI data, due Thursday, for further clarity on the Fed's rate-cutting path. We expect gold to hit new highs in 2025, as bond yields have been falling throughout the year and geopolitical risks remain a driver of gold sentiment, said Nitesh Shah, commodity strategist at Wisdom Tree. We believe gold could hit $3.000 an ounce by the end of 2025, according to StoneX analyst Rona O'Connell. In addition to economic data, investors will also be looking to Fed Chair Powell's post-meeting comments for more insight into future U.S. policy. With the domestic gold bar price increasing sharply and the world gold price listed at Kitco at $2.718.1 USD/ounce, equivalent to about 83.5 million VND/tael if converted according to Vietcombank exchange rate, excluding taxes and fees. The difference between domestic and world gold prices is about 3.4 million VND/tael.